Hello everyone. As you know, we have covered all the topics of Unit 3 and Unit 4. From the today onwards, we will start the revision of all the important topics of the subject, probability and statistics. And before starting the revision, I just want to tell you about the preparation strategy. Means which strategy you should use to prepare for the final exam. So let's discuss about the preparation strategy. So you know the total marks is of 100 marks. The paper will be of 100 marks, and out of 100 there are internal marks 25 and external marks are 75. And passing marks are 40% marks of internal marks and 14% marks of external. That means you have to get at least 10 marks in internal. If you have submitted all the assignments and if you have secured the good marks in internal, then you can easily get the 10 marks in internal, plus minimum you have to secure 30 marks in external. So this is the passing criteria for this exam. So now I want to discuss about the preparation strategy so that you will get the good marks in this paper. And I will discuss the preparation strategy unit wise based on the previous year question papers. So let's start from the unit 1. As I have told you many times when we have covered unit 1 in class, that there are mainly three important topics in unit 1 that covers the long questions. First question is correlation coefficient. This is very easy question to attempt because this is just a calculation question. You just have to remember the formula for this, how you can find the correlation coefficient, and you can easily attempt this question. Avoid any calculation mistake. So first topic is correlation coefficient. Second topic is mainly related with random variables. And the topic is expectation, movements and variances. Obviously one question definitely will be asked from the expectation, movements and variance, because in the unit 1 mainly topic is related with the random variable, its expectation, its movements, its variances, probability density function and the distribution functions. And the third topic is Chebyshev's inequality. So from this topic in exam they can ask about the long question or short question as well. So in the unit 1 these three topics are most important topics. Now in the unit 2 there are two topics are important from the long question point of view. So first is a Bayes theorem, and you all are well known about the Bayes theorem, how you can solve the question related with the Bayes theorem. So I strongly recommend to all of you students to please practice this topic. This is very easy topic. And second is sums and quotient of the random variables. Actually there is one more topic important in unit 3, that is the marginal probability density, that is related with marginal probability density function and conditional probability density function. And related with this topic is sum and quotient of random variable. Please practice the proof of the two theorems. First theorem related with the sum of random variable and second theorem related with the quotient of random variables. And there are some questions also. There are some questions related with this topic also. So please practice these 2-3 topics in unit 2. Now let's discuss about the unit 3. So unit 3 there are mainly these three topics are important from which the long question are covered. First topic is mean, median, mode. Very basic and easy topic. So you can easily attempt one question of at least 8 marks from this topic, mean, median, mode. So I strongly recommend please cover this topic. Please practice the all examples and exercise questions related with this topic. I have shared the many PDF files related with this topic, so you have a bulk of questions related with this topic. You can practice those questions. If you face any problem, any query, you can ask from me. So second topic is correlation and regression. Correlation is also covered in first unit also, but in first unit it is related given data of x and y. In the unit third it is related for the probability density function. And one more topic is regression. So third important topic in unit third is related with the distributions. So there are mainly three distributions in unit 3. One is binomial, second is Poisson, third is normal distribution. And most important distribution is normal distribution. And from these three distributions, one long question from the medical point of view is related with the fitting of distributions. So they will give you the some data and they will ask that find the binomial curve or Poisson curve or normal curve that fits the given data. So please practice this type of question. So in unit 3 I have told you about these three important topic, and in unit 4 you can see actually unit 4 there are basically the test of significances. So mainly two tests of significances are most important, and both are related with the chi-square test. With the help of chi-square test, you can apply goodness of fit test and independence of attributes. So please don't skip these two topics. But other than there are so many tests of significance for the large sample and small sample, so I can't give you the choice that which test you should practice more or less. But I should suggest that please don't skip these two topics, because one long question is covered from these two topics, that is goodness of it or independence of attributes. But yes, there is one test of significance important, that is test for ratio of variances. So you can much practice for this topic related with this topic. So I have discussed about the important topics unit wise. So please prepare all these important topics unit wise. Just make a strategy that how you should prepare for the final exam. If you face any problem to attempt any question or in these important topics, you can revert. Thank you.